Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a folder or folders on Google Drive using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google, and some folders that we will be creating. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this and then wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, go to the top right corner. Let's now go to Google Drive. And now what we want to do is go to the top left corner where we see new. Click on this. We can create a folder, file upload, folder upload, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Forms, and much more. In this tutorial, we are looking to create multiple folders. So that's folder 1, create. We can now go into this folder and create another folder. Let's call that folder 2. And we can then go into the folder again to create another folder. So let's call that folder 3. We can then see the pathway from my drive, folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, and so on. We can use the 3 dots to navigate to different type of folders if we have more than one within a folder. We can also go back to my drive, and if we want to, we can refactor folders, zip files, Excel files, videos, and photos to different folders. Let's now right click on archive, go to organize, go to move, and we can move this into folder 3. Now let's go to folder 1, folder 2, folder 3, and there we have archive zip. Let's go back to my drive. I want to refactor, this is a 4K video, to organize, move. Let's move that to folder 2. Click on move. Now, if I were to, let's just say, click on folder 1, folder 2, and there we have, this is a 4K video. Go to folder 3, and there we have archive zip. Go back to my drive. So, if we want to, let's just say, delete a folder, we'll have to go directly into the folder we wish to delete. I want to move archive.zip back to my drive. That itself has now been moved to its original destination. Go to folder 3. Let's go back to folder 2. Click on folder 3 and we can delete. Move to trash. Go to trash and then we have folder 3. Let's now click on folder 3 and then we have the X to delete forever. Folder 3 will be deleted forever. This cannot be undone. That's fine. Delete forever. Go back to my drive. Folder 1, folder 2. This is a 4K video. Right click, new folder. Let's call this folder 3. Create. Folder 1, 2, and 3. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's all this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.